If you're wanting to cancel your Disney subscription through iTunes, I found that it doesn't work through the app, because when you choose subscriptions and then iTunes no longer exists, it wants to open Apple Music, and of course your subscription is not there. So you need to be on a Windows device and choose Microsoft Store. And then search for iTunes for Windows. This is the one that you'll need to install. You'll see that I already have it installed, so I'm going to open it from here. Then you need to choose Account. And then choose View My Account. And then sign in with your Apple ID and password. Scroll down to the settings section and you will see your subscriptions down here. And then manage. Find your subscription for Disney and edit. Here is where you have the option to cancel subscription and then choose Done. Thank you for watching.